Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be looking at a ton of lightning just outside my window right here, actually. And yeah, let's get to it. Also, just to let you know, you have 5 seconds to like and subscribe right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better like and subscribe or a monster will appear in your house tonight. Sorry about the blur, guys. There's a lot of lightning, but there's a lot of rain on the door. So you can get some. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's a big one. Sorry, I can't go outside because it's too dangerous. Oh, I think that's it for this one. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, there was a lot of lightning, and it's right out here. It's not too far away, but anyways, guys, bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.